This is a new 2023 HP Victus gaming laptop. I'm going to unbox it, I'm going to show you its quirks and features. It's a new model, 2023. It's a good update and upgrade from a previous year model. Here we have the box, HP seal on top and on the bottom. Here we have part number, USB-C and stuff, serial. Here we can see the specs. It's somewhat more of a basic model. CPU is great though, Ryzen 7 7840HS. It's a new 2023 CPU, it's very good. 16GB DDR5, 512 SSD, RTX 3050 with 6GB. So 3050 in laptops now can be with 6GB, but it's not necessarily faster. 16.1 Full HD IPS LED display. Very familiar HP packaging, kind of weak, not good protection. Manual. Charger. Charger looks nice. Very premium. This connector, by the way, will fit many basic HP laptops. They don't make 100 different types like some other brands. This part you can swap to use in other countries. Or you can get an adapter for this if you're using a different wall outlet. 200 watt. This is on par with competitors. The charger is really nice though. Best looking charger. We're going to get back to the laptop very soon. Now let's check here instructions. Tells you everything. The USB-C connector here is very good, but it's not a Thunderbolt. Very weak protection, very bad. No, it smells something. Branded HP over here. This is a nice touch, but protection is very weak nevertheless. Traditional V here, very ugly. Victus. It's pretty heavy, pretty thick. Omen, HP Omen is definitely a lot thinner. So no ports on the back, but good ventilation. On this side, USB-C. Has the lightning. Does it mean it's a Thunderbolt? I don't know, bro. HDMI to USB-A. Charging goes here. RJ45. Another USB-A. Headphones. No SD card here. The material is better than before. Definitely feels a lot nicer than older Victuses. Much nicer. I noticed here, but it could be my cat. I don't know. Paper kind of thing. I recently reviewed a non-gaming HP and it also had a thing like this. Very conservative look. 144 Hz. It's nothing special right now. Everything has at least 120 in the gaming. Usually 144 or 165. It's like a minimum. Bezel average size. Good thickness on the side. Average thickness on top. Camera shutter. Screen wobbling test. A lot of people ask in the comments. This part is kind of big. Over here. Feels nice. I guess it's okay. power button here. Then we have this HP button here. We have volume controls, backlit keyboard controls. Power button here, backspace is bad. Numeric keyboard, obviously, good sound. It is plastic, but it's nice on touch, I like it. It's very easy to press, probably the easiest one. So it's too easy. The resistance of the buttons is really small. It might be an issue, you know, some laptops have too much of it, some are too easy like this one. That's up to your taste. Overall, I like it more than the older models, definitely. Doesn't go further than that. Overall, I like new Victus more than the older one. V here is ugly. It has standard ports and everything. The quality materials and everything, I would say, better than the competition. I like it more than Asus TUF Dash, definitely more than Dell G15, G16 series, more than Lenovo IdeaPad. New MSI Cyborgs are pretty good too, by the way. They really updated this year. Older Katanas were definitely much worse than this one. As for the specs, the CPU is really strong here. 512 SSD is kind of standard, it's usually 512 or 1 terabyte. 16 gig of RAM, it's now more or less bare minimum for gaming. You can do some gaming with 8 gig, but it's definitely not enough. Big downside of this laptop is the video card. 3050, it's a basic video card of old generation, which is actually an updated version of GTX 1650, which is like old video card. So yeah, 6 gig here does not improve much, and I think it has some cuts elsewhere, so it's not gonna be faster than 4 gig version. There are many variations of this with the different specs. What I would suggest you to definitely get something with better video card, something definitely better than 3050. Get at least 4050, maybe 3060. So 3060 is much better than 3050, but I would suggest maybe even go for 4060. Laptops with 4060 start becoming more affordable. Although I believe something like this, just like that with 4060, would probably be like $250 more. So good laptop, just get something with a better video card than 3050.